Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Spectrum TV application on Firestick 4K in 2026. So first of all, you need to turn on your TV. Just make sure that your Firestick 4K is connected to the internet. Now on the home screen of your Fire TV stick, you just have to either look for the option of find, or you can also use the search icon over here. So after tapping on the option of the search icon, in the search bar you just have to simply search for Spectrum TV. So when you search for Spectrum TV application, you will be able to find it in the list. When you are able to find it, you just have to come here on its page. Over here you will see this install button. So after pressing the OK button on your remote, after selecting it, you just have to wait for 30 to 60 seconds until the application installed on your TV. Now once the installation is completed successfully, you just have to come here on Spectrum's page, then simply log in here with the help of your Spectrum username and password. Now when you log in, you are going to see all of the TV shows, the on-demand shows and your DVR recordings, which you can access with the help of the settings. So here you can just simply select any of the channels and you can start streaming it on your TV. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.